obodo kwelugono Chukwu kadibia Ohaneze kwelugono Umu Chukwu kadibia
See how guy give this one, go change your mind.
We came to bless today's Salah. We are giving them one lamb to do their Salah. We also give them money. So I want to appreciate all my partners, my sons and daughters. I say I shall go with you all. Those are in America. Those are in Canada. Anywhere you are, you're going to make it big. Anywhere you are. You understand the spiritual thing. Givers never lack. Are you a partner? If you have never paid for your partner, you pay. So you can reach other people. We have many places to visit in Anambra State. We are visiting Imo State, we are visiting Abia State, we are visiting Enugu State. But it's much more. I can't do it all. So we need men and women that will support. Ndani nebo ndo orphanage. $20,000. Smoking today. Oh yala. Change now first. Change. Supposed to do. That's how they do. Don't give them ram. No good. Don't see us nothing for them. For small children. The prayer is going on. God bless everybody. Muslim, almost like Sabbath. Spirituality. I'm trying to what they do for me, but since I'm gonna bring change, no problem. They bring. I do, yes. I want me to prepare the bring change. I don't tire. It's just that I never sleep. I have to finish all this prayer before tomorrow. It has meaning. This is a match, Pisca. In case you don't have match, if you don't like me, go to your pastor. Case closed. No, they call me for phone for back. Go to your LNG. You want solution. But you're not proud of what you want. And I'm gonna get ready for on the 12th to 20th. There will be so much activities, signs and wonder, miracles and salakatu. Head for wait.
Amin. Amin. Amin.
Brian, boy, Brian.
Aminu. Mala Aminu Kano.
Shugaba fa ya tana so.
Musa ku ja mu kai ka ga yara ne suke karba. Kai, wai kai me saba kai? kowa zauna da Allah inda yake kowa zauna inda yake ko ina kai da ka zo kasa give this one, go change them.
This one, go buy some shop for now.